Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some.
Most people think you need expensive software, editing skills, or a big team to create viral YouTube shorts. But today I'm going to show you how you can make viral style videos completely by yourself using AI. If you check the popular Shorts tab on YouTube, you'll see channels getting tens of millions of views with very simple visuals. The secret is not luck, it's smart content creation. And today, I'll show you exactly how to copy that style in a legal and creative way. First, open any viral short and take a screenshot of one frame. This will be your base reference. Now go to the GPT store and search for Image Recreation Pro. Open it, start a chat, and upload your screenshot. This tool will analyze the image and convert it into clean JSON code.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story.
Don't worry, you don't need to understand the code. Just copy it. Next, go to OpenArt and open the Image Generation tab. Change the model to Google Image 3.
I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory, yeah. Don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring, just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts and paste the JSON code. Choose how many images you want. Now click Generate, and you'll see AI create images that look extremely similar to the viral style.
That is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would know.
Now comes the magic part. Click Image to Video. Choose as the animation model. Set resolution to 720p or 1080p. Duration to 10 seconds, and quality to Pro or Light if you want to save credits. Then simply describe what you want to happen in the scene, and AI will animate it for you. You can make cinematic, funny, emotional, or crazy scenes. I even tested using one image as the starting frame, and the results looked shockingly close to real viral videos. You can repeat this with different frames and create unlimited content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. The best part is, you don't need editing skills, you don't need animation skills, and you don't need a team. You just need creativity and consistency. If you post daily with this method, your chances of going viral increase massively. So if you want to build a Shorts channel, grow fast and create content smarter, not harder. This method is perfect for you. All the tools I used are in the description. Try them, experiment, and start posting today. And if this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment AI so I know you want more tutorials like this.
Diaz this, Diaz that, Lord, I done lost the map. Every time you fuss or snap, somebody, you got a syndrome. Whoa.